business is always on your mind. Who I have to get back to, and
if you'll be busy enough or you'll have the workload to maintain it.
Will I have enough money to pay the guys on Friday? An idea, a design.
You know, when you're riding a wave, it's all you're focused on in that moment. Kind of gets rid of all the other stuff that's weighing on your mind.
Got to think about the next turn, the next rock you got to get around, the next bush you got to clear. Ride my bike, and all of a sudden I'll have an idea how I want something to look.
Some of those issues and some of those problems you're dealing with, the answers will come to you, or inspiration might come with a new perspective on things.
It's not easy to be self-employed, and there's a lot of ups and downs, but the rewards are great, really great.
When the two of us came together, we were able to really expand what we could build. We're just real similar, and I think that helps us work together better, than we do on our own. And we were able to take on bigger projects and expand what we could offer. To start from rough sketches, transformed all the way into a door on someone's home. It's rewarding. We're in this business together as a team and a family, so I got to do that with my father. I think is rewarding in its own way. Our main focus is interior, exterior doors. It is pretty unlimited just to your imagination, and knowing, my father and I have the skills and the tools that we could figure out how to build it and really open up what we can create. We're constantly striving to improve job after job and project after project.
That's the work ethic, is to do it right. And even if you don't make a lot of money on it, you don't cut corners, you do it right. You could go buy a standard door that's built in the manufacturing belt, and they build 1,000 doors an hour or whatever. Anybody can build a door. We just build it right.
It's kind of the first point people come through to gather a statement of the home and who lives there and welcomes them in.
One thing I really like is it's functional art. My doors say, "Stop and look at me." I always know that on the other side of that door there's going to be another one, and it's not going to be the same as the one I just finished.
And just kind of keep building on what we do and what we create. One of the most important things I learned from my father was following what you truly love to do, and you become good at it. I think that's the legacy more than the business itself. It's those, life lessons.
It's the education of life, the teachings of life. And they come from your elders and from the past people you have lived your life with. We are what we are because of our past.
Having that knowledge of this trade and this craftsmanship passed down to me, it is a different kind of reward for what you do.
I'm Richard Blackburn.
And I'm Ryan Blackburn. We are Pacific Millworks.